What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I don't know what all entails in today's video, but right now we're heading down to West Palm. Right now we're heading down to Fort Lauderdale, Florida to go to Neo Garage's place of business, pick up my new seats. And no, they're not new seats. They're still the same blue Sparcos, but I never got my passenger seat because UPS lost it. Like, I don't know how you lose a big seat, and I trust UPS more than FedEx, but FedEx been coming clutch lately, you know what I mean? Like, they deliver my packages early in the morning, they're not losing it, you know what I'm saying? They come on time. UPS been slacking, dog. I don't know, man. Y'all letting me down a little bit. Up until yesterday, I now got my passenger seat, and I also got a new driver's seat because my driver's seat came ripped. Like, UPS, bro, let's talk first. What's going on? You know what I mean? Like, I love y'all. Y'all the Brown Town squad. You feel? So what's going on? You know what I mean? Y'all like Grove Street, and FedEx is the ballers. I'm messing with Grove Street, but the ballers starting to give me a little more compensation for my struggles. Know what I mean? So Neo went ahead and just ordered me a new driver's seat, and then the one I have in my car right now, I'm just supposed to bring it up to him. But as you can see in the back seat, I don't have my seat. Neo! Here we come, playboy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, we have made it to Neo Garage. Look at this man. Look at my mans. Woo, look at these Johns, boy. Fire. So we're at Neo's. What's up, Neo? What's going on, bro?
Man, my boy Zosh came over here to pick up these Sparcos. Look at these things.
Woo! Paul Walker would be proud, bro. That's why I go Sparco. That's really why I do Sparco, because of Paul Walker, man. His influence on my car.
Yeah, man, those are the new Sprint seats. That's the new model that came out, so you know, definitely up to date with the Sparco.
Yep,
seats.
up to date, yeah.
You know, he had the last one, had a little issue with the last one.
Yeah.
But,
and this is the tell him, Neo, what's up, bro?
We got issues like that, man. We gonna take care of it.
Take care of it, dog.
So,
look at that. Nah, I mean, got two. They had lost, like I said in the car, they had lost the UPS had lost my passenger seat. So Neo did his thing. Now I got a driver and passenger, and I got the other driver at home that I should have brought, but I woke up late. But when I get home, I can actually put them both in. But anything else Neo want to say, man? Shout out, bro. What's up? What's
here
up?
In Neo Garage, you know, we're definitely looking to opening up in a couple of weeks. July, do a soft opening. You know, we're restocking little stuff here and there. You know, kind of get something for South Florida to kind of come and grab and enjoy this time.
Yesterday I got a call like from my dog, they one-on-one. Said they do this on his son because of insufficient funds. He was sobbing, he was mobbing, we would let you in the truck. Talking out his head, philosophy on what the Lord had done. He said,
so we just left Neo's place, got our seats loaded up, playboy. Time to take turnpike. Bro, I honestly probably owe the Florida Department of Transportation probably like a lot of money, but F dot. Making my way to home, driving fast, car low on gas, but I'm homebound. So I'm back home and I'm looking at my seat bracket that I received from Neo when I bought it maybe over, I don't know, 2 months ago, I guess. I don't know. But this is it. Hold on. It's that right there, playboy. But I'm looking at it, right? It got the two front ones, which is what I need, right? And then the rear is like, well, where's the rear? But then again, I have these two brackets right here. Now, I guess this rear bracket bolts into one of these because this is a universal Sparco seat rail for a 92 Civic. So this could be a driver or a passenger side. But I guess we'll get to this. Once I take out the OEM passenger seat and the seats out of the CRV, whoops, BRV, then we'll go from there. both of the seats have been removed, and bro, so cool. Look at this. Look at this, boy. Look at this. Look at all this crap. Now, I know what this calls for, right? So we have to take off the rail from this seat and place it on this one. Now, is it just me, or this seat looks bigger than this one? Nah, I think I'm tripping. Yeah, he's here. But I had a problem, man. Leave it up to me to break something. Where'd the bolt go? Well, I didn't break it, I just stripped it.
Yeah, just like you going straight. Yo, fire!
Check this John out, bro. Leave it up to me, bro. Now, I knew it was like cross-threading, but I decided to send it anyway, thinking that it's gonna like fix itself. Nah, it didn't do that. So, Ace Hardware we go to fix it. Made it to Ace. This boy dumb, boy clean. Got all the hardware I needed, but they don't have the 8x1.25 that I need. All gone. Sucks. Whose mans is this? Whose mans? Whose mans is this, bro?
Your mama.
You look like you own a laundry cleaning business.
Why?
I don't know, you just look like it. Hey, bro, I think you need an alignment. Buy my CRV. It's for sale.
I want your coilovers.
Nah, you want this ass.
What? What you just said? Yo, move up.
So I picked this thing up from O'Reilly, nah, I mean, little 20 bucks tap and dissect, can't go wrong, and it's metric, you know how I mean. And when you get that M8 by 1.25 out of this John, we good to go. Bro, stop interrupting my vlog, bro.
What Adidas these is?
My laundromat owner, like you work at a bodega, bro. Now, if you don't know how to use a tap, basically just get you with that ass. Bro! Well, I won't be able to finish this right now because I have to get a haircut because JBtuned is listening to this gay me.
This is the greatest show! Watch the Zosh flick!
Not for nothing, I did actually get both seats in, but that rail that I received does not fit. Only 2 holes lined up for me to bolt it in, and I got the 2 bolts in. But as you guys can see, let's see if I can open the door so you guys can shine more light in this John. Oh, it's locked. It's fixed. Like, it doesn't have sliders. So I'm definitely gonna order some sliders for this John because I don't want people in the car that can't scoot back and everything because that's just uncomfortableness. What? But man, 2 seats in there, blood. Looking pretty good, man. So I'm gonna leave the car alone for tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come back at it, and I gotta go to the store and buy more bolts and stuff so I can have a nice new set of hardware for seat bolts and all that jazz and get the thing all situated. And yeah, good morning. It's the next day. Got my hair laying down because I'm black and I'm beautiful.
Super facts!
I'll show you guys the seats now that it's daylight a little bit. Check them Johns out, but see, that seat isn't really like this one because I don't have sliders. So I talked to Neo, we're gonna get some sliders ordered, and yeah, now I'll be able to slide my seats, and I just gotta buy belts for that side. Jesus Christ. Look how bad my door is. Like, look how bad this door is. Like, bro. But aside from working on the Integra, we're gonna make the big body BRV more colder. When I was in my barber's BRV yesterday, his AC was on 2 notches and it was cold. So I'm about to charge mine up so mine can be on Frozone. Went to Walmart last night and got some of this John right here because your boy is cheap and broke. And that's not a good mix. So we got some Super Tech refrigerant. You know what I'm saying? The R134IE. Man. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tutorials, you know what I mean, in case you wanna recharge your AC system. You hear me? Now what you wanna do is find your low pressure AC line. Now since mine has the L, this means low pressure. The high pressure AC line would be right there because it got the H. That's a high pressure. You don't want that, you feel me? So you want to take off the cap on a low pressure. Damn. Now to be completely real and honest with you guys, This ain't the bottle that was used in the Chris Fix video, so I can't adjust my knob to where like the temperature where it needs to be, and I don't want to overfill it and I don't want to underfill it, you know what I mean? So I don't know what to do from this point forward. I mean, you want to take off the cap, put it in the cap, and then, wow, it sound like I'm dying, and then just fill this John up. But hey bro, I don't know what to do though. Yeah, I don't know what to do. So I have my hose connected, and this is what my thing is reading. Woo, compressor just kicked on. I see it spinning down at the bottom. Now we are going to see, after a couple minutes of idle time, where my gauge is going to read. But my John is not that cold, B. Trust, bro. Trust. It's been a couple minutes, and look at this, bro. What is this? What is this, bro? Y'all see this? Look at this. What? I'm supposed to be in the green, bro. This ain't it, dog. This ain't it, bro. I just thought to myself how I can never be Chris Fix ever, because that man's the GOAT. And I got my AC a little colder, but I think I just need a bigger, another one of these, because, I mean, it's almost empty. You guys can't even feel it or whatever, but it's like it's pretty much empty. And they got a little cooler, but bro, when I tell you, my barber's AC was piping, bro. Like, dog. This right here on my barber's AC is colder when my AC's like that. Bro, it's ridiculous, bro. It's just, okay? Be a little colder. If I was driving, thing get a little cold, a little more juice to it. You hear? Okay, man. Okay, a little cold. Colder than what it was before, I tell you that much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just placed my order for some NRG seat rails because they were 40 bucks, and hey, bro. Bro, yeah. Know what I mean? So when those get here, I'll get that bad boy installed and have a fully reclinable passenger seat. And then from there, in about 2 weeks, from what I was told, maybe in about 2 weeks, the car will be going in for paint. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But other than that, I need to buy an SSD for the MacBook. I also got to buy a new battery for the MacBook because I want my John performing like a beast. It's a 2011. But I keep it fast. Well, at least gonna try to. But all in all, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video, comment if you want, and come back in a couple of days from now and come kick it with your Benno again. You know what I mean? We just be hanging out, man. Imano, you know what I mean? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there that actually take care of them kids and not just babysit them, if you know what I mean. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.